Ban pensilori ki samla training ka Don Bosco Technical School kala pelong ya ka Don Bosco Expo Council ha Don Bosco Hall hakaba ka Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District ka kong Isawanda Laloo kala longkum ka kong san. Habakran hakani ka sngi ka kong Isawanda kala penpau ya ka jing sngo kumen bandan bynta lang bat kani ka jaka ai jing hikai ka bala slam tam hakathan chatay lam mi ngi. Shu kala ong ru bakapor kala day pa iwei kinday ban pentibet hala ijong ikam kala ong ru bakani ka jaka ai jing hikai kala penmi bun kisamla ki batbet kum haka kam mystery welding shnala shetcake sujan bat kiwei kala kenturu ikisamla bakim day ban shushania tang haka kam sarkar hendrei kide ban yang hala ki jong ki kijat da ka ba shem mikila jingaram kum ka PMEGP bat kiwei kala ong ru bakim day ban tieng hendrei ban yang scam ban ya chakman ban pun urlong ya ka jing tmu ka bakidon.
I was just inquiring about the number of students who are being trained in this institute, and Father Director also told me that in the month of August you will be inducting new students. From time to time we always hear the word, we always hear, DPTS students who have passed from DPTS go on to make a mark for themselves. It is one of the institutes which has made a name and which we all hear about and which we are all proud of. And the reason is that from year to year, several graduates, several students who pass out of this institute are equipped to go into the world having acquired skills and tools and crafts which will stand them in good stead in their lives. We have heard Father speak about the value of the work of your hands, reaping the fruits of your labor. Not only, I feel, is this institute a tremendous asset to our city, our district, and our state, because it trains young boys and girls to equip themselves. It gives them the necessary life skills to go out into the world, to stand on their own 2 feet, to be able to eke out a livelihood for themselves, and also to work with dignity. We know now that in this day and age we have an employment crunch. You have heard about it, I think all of you know. It is no longer the time that we look forward only to government jobs. I keep saying this in the many programs I go to, that for every single government post, even say the post of a lower divisional assistant or a chokidar or a peon or even a driver, there are up to 500 to 1,000 aspirants.